Welcome to Year 3's assembly. About the artist Edvard Munch. Here are some facts about the artist named Edvard Munch.
Please listen carefully.
My name is Edvard Munch. I was born in 1863.
I was born in Norway, then moved to Paris and Berlin to study art.
I had a lot of family tragedies. This made me sad and influenced my paintings.
I believe art should show emotion.
My mother died of tuberculosis in 1868. I was raised by my Aunt Karen.
I was always sick as a child and I used to draw to keep myself occupied.
One copy of me sold for £100 million in 2012.
The wavy lines show emotion.
In 1994, I was stolen from a museum in Oslo and found 3 months later. The red and orange colours remind people of fire and chaos.
Edvard Munch described my sky. Flaming clouds hung like blood.
Black and blue.
Emphasizes sadness. There are 4 versions of me, 2 in pastels, 2 in paint. This is where I was drawn in Oslo.
I am also made other famous paintings.
I am called Sadness in the Sick Room.
My sister was very sick and this is how I remember that time. I am called Anxiety. I was painted in 1894. I am called The Dance of Life. I was painted in 1900.
I am called Vampire. I was painting in 1895.
I am called Melancholy. I was painting in 1891. I am called Starry Night. I was painted in 1893. I am called Girls on the Bridge. I was painted in 1901.
This
is our version of the screen set on the playground.
Enjoy looking at our own screen pictures. My screen picture is on a roller coaster.
My screen picture is of a train track. This is my screen picture.
My screen picture is set in a roller coaster.